You wouldn't believe how Secure Growth Bank stands out in 2026. Most people think banks are just places to store money, but Secure Growth is designed to help your savings grow smarter with automation, goal tracking, and insightful features. Secure Growth offers checking and savings accounts with competitive interest rates and low fees. One of its most valuable features is its goal-based savings system. You can set multiple financial targets, emergency funds, vacations, or larger purchases, and the bank automatically transfers money to these goals based on your income and spending habits. Even small, consistent contributions can add up significantly over time. The mobile app is intuitive. It tracks spending, predicts upcoming bills, and alerts you if there's a risk of overdraft. The dashboard visually breaks down your finances, showing exactly where your money is going and how close you are to reaching each goal. Security is solid, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available via chat or phone. The main limitation is that Secure Growth doesn't offer full investment services or advanced wealth management, but for anyone focused on saving efficiently, staying on top of spending, and growing money safely, it's an excellent option. So, is Secure Growth Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for those who want a secure, modern, and automated approach to managing and growing money. Subscribe to keep up with the latest tools that make smart banking easy.